Hi, I'm Janina at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Point of View Cool Perspective Eye Kit. Cool down your look with this limited edition 5-piece full-size eye makeup kit featuring iced frosted tones and high-impact finishes. Our 3-in-1 Cream Stay Shadow Sticks work as a primer, shadow, and liner and provide up to 12 hours of lasting color. Mix and match Shell, a blush pearl rose, Orbit, a matte charcoal, and our stunning new hue Vintage, a matte mauve. And in our new limited edition molten metallic foil eyeshadow in a shimmering pewter for high shine effects. Then lengthen and lift lashes with the rich jewel tones of our new water resistant mascara in amethyst. Shade lids and a long lower lash line with Cream Stay Shadow Stick in Vintage, then blend to create an even wash of color. Add depth to outer crease, lids, and a long upper and lower lash line with Cream Stay Shadow Stick in Orbit and blend until seamless. Place and blend Cream Stay Shadow Stick in Shell into inner corners and brow bones for a natural highlighted effect. For a highly reflective and glowing eye look, gently pat metallic foil eyeshadow in silhouette onto the entire lid with fingertips or an eye brush. Or for a more natural halo effect, only place onto the center of lids. Finish with water-resistant mascara and amethyst to lengthen and accentuate lashes with a pop of deep, rich purple. Countless eye effects can be created with this kit. It's so unique and plays with different finishes and cool tones beautifully. I'm loving the 5 full-size eye products too. Such an incredible value.